Me a karate expert. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman to have them one things. Me no have no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah? Peanut bread.
So, as me I show you.
I'm a rating plus tax.
Daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Thanks and praise we giving. To the most I know for we daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Thanks and praise we giving. To the most I know for we daily living. Now life is not a bed of rose, no hungry mouth dead and fi fed. So in the street we there and juggle for we bread. Tailor and the dressmaker stitch a cloth up with the thread. The barber and the hairdresser groom the hair them pan we head. Hospital them carry the porters, doctors and the paramedics. Security forces carry the iron with a clip full up a lead and pass you over to the mortician who fix up all the dead while peanut trade a patch of peanut and a sell it. Film daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Daily living. Thanks and praise we giving. For this and in the riverbed and daily sipping.
I know, man. You feel know, man.
Well, I see them dashing at it.
Yes,
Peas and peas. Watch him, man. What a
The
thing
whole
like
of the bumbo clot, they sit them blood clot bust out, you know, man, right? You sit them burst out, you know, my brethren, seeing. And I me put them up there, you know, and the breeze a blow hard, you know, man. I know me alone, all this breeze a fuck up here, don't you know, enough people out there when you see it, I do all that sit there and believe you alone, don't you see? Other people out there.
And I need to touch it.
Yeah, it a blow down something for other people too. Right? Cause what they call January, February. Nobody now look pretty sorry and you tumble down from February to blood clot, right? And the whole of the sitting them on the so wet up to blood clot when me come them full of water, me have to turn them out and make breather blow through them. And I dry them back and to rat clot. Now so you see it? Eh? How you know say water going at them? Eh? You need to pay them no mind, right? You believe everything alright. See, they will fuck you in your blood clot, all in tolerant. You think I got alone tolerant, eh? You think I got alone tolerant, you still it. When I time them rise up stamp on God blood clot, if God didn't talk to the storm and turn it back, which part it blood clot I come from, it blow him and him bumbo clot, I remember them, yeah? Yeah. It blow him and the disciple them, I tell you, Satan bad, and he hate God. Because God won't have blood breath and him can't do it, and he say he might kill him. He might kill the people if God blood breath, you know.
So, sir, I will see them and not it.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Jaja.
Yes, man, and the breeze fuck me up your bad. Right, sit there. Sit there. Sit there to grass card. Right? So, like me I tell you, say, you know, you'll not get you from problem to grass card. Some people just take it to heart, you know.
So all them seed, you know, you know, just put them in a bag? Or them need for dry more?
Dry.
Okay.
Dry them and when me look the breeze blow off. You know long them out there? Yeah. A long time out there, no rest time blow off, you know. I mean, if I would not carry no goes back, I would not come here. Right? If you mash me down, you know. Understand? Because you have to mind who you have around you, you know.
Those.
Yeah, because some people we have a demon, them a follow back and bumbo clot, right?
Yeah, got me bring that demon guy.
And you have by me in your place, you see?
Yeah.
And you left me up a man.
No, and it turned down pan me too. Understand? Make it breeze that blow heavy. More than how we did that blow to bumbo rat clot. Well, blood clot up now. Right?
Deuce, okay, I go see how I could dose.
Yeah, that me I tell him say.
Go some mash out the whole place, brethren.
I know see for me I walk with.
Oh, you accept it.
You know tell you say I Lucifer, me I Lucifer apart.
Yeah, no fire. But some more still up on top of us still, you know.
Yeah.
So they can catch them one day, you see me? What a thing like this, man. Who like Cyril see them gone for that. Jaja. But not you know so them time I hear I win the time man.
Why I don't know, you know?
Yeah, no kite time now.
Remember one
Kite time now, you know. Yeah, them time I kite and do a slam and mash up, you know.
March, hold on, January, February.
Kite time, you know.
Hold on, January, February. February. March. Oh, January, February. No, then no, hold on. No August or kite time.
No, man. Them time, yeah, man.
What?
At them time, yeah, kite time, yeah, so the breeze a blow.
So hold on, February time kite make.
At them time, yeah, kite also fly.
Why am I
With
not
strong,
sure
with strong breeze.
I don't too know about the blood clot kite thing, but I know say one month, every year there is a month we carry some rascal breeze, right? Which one I month you say?
At time, I know feet, man. It's a boy long at that time, there, man. February, March time, there. We up a kite, you soon start to kite all about nice kite, because the breeze strong.
Thing of April.
No, sir.
A Panama, you call
No,
Easter
man.
time.
Another them time.
Easter.
No, man. At them time, I know, man.
So, hold on, which one a marblers gig or there's something they play on Easter?
You know about that?
One of them, you have one when you have a gig play, sometimes kite, sometimes marble.
No, my blank gig can't do any time, man. But
No,
kite.
when cashew time, cashew time, that time marble time. When you say cashew tree, beer, right? Because cashew they always make marble because you cannot play marble and not get no benefit. Yeah? So a cashew you set in a ring.
But them used to play marble with elastic too. They used to get play the marble and and the pavement elastic and get ready. So you see me?
You see how we start? The elder people them not do nothing and not get benefit. Yeah? Yeah, them not really ram. You see, when them I go play dig and set, you know, that mean you get benefit. Man no waste time, man mark a ring and put gig. You know it and set. Full gig a go bust. You are to beat to rascal. Some man has some gig, you see. Him broad out the point like hacks, you see? And it's big and heavy. And him know him blood clot length, you know. The mark a blood clot line, so where there you must set your foot, you see?
Yeah.
And the ring out there, so. Some man don't have the measurement, you know.
Okay.
You only get 2 or 3 chance. And you have to put in for your gig now, right?
Man, bust it up.
You feel a blood clot when you see some man knowing length and card, you know, and knowing hacks, you know, right? And when you reel up the blood clot, you know, that it, 1 ram.
2 piece.
You fucker, you 2 piece. Now you pussy. You have to go and go make gig again. Yeah, and you win, right? Yeah.
And mash you down.
Mash you down. No fuck, right? And you have some man where have some little gig. Where if a beer hole him bore up now your big gig blood clot, you be want you. Yeah, if fucker know the measurement, you know. And just doing gig little, you know say hard for them stab you know.
Yeah.
Right? So every time they stab off tight them miss. And when film time come down, you say
drop in the head.
1 ram in a big one to blood clot in nail fasten.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you look at it, a beer joke. You know, for years you think man ain't easy. And the man ain't gamble cash out, right? The man ain't gamble cash out. That means when you win, you have cash out to go roast. You understand that? Till you come after marble, you know? When you mean win marble, you have to go put them down. You know no benefit again. Right? So the elder people, them not joke, you know. Them cook all food, you know. And see which one can yam the most, you know. Well, another at the fun, you know what I mean? Yeah. Then cook food food and one pile of food, one pile of salting. And then not share none give you.
What you call
One
it?
man say man yam 5 flour.
What you call salting? Meat?
Saltfish.
Salting.
Salting.
Yeah, what you call salting?
Then now the provision. That's what them a call it. The provision with the, what you eat with food then call salting. Eh.
What's up?
So not enough name you have.
Oh no, when you say salting, some people probably feel like a saltfish or something like that, you know?
Yes, it sound like saltfish.
But I'm a saltfish.
No, salting.
So salting is what? Like
Provision where you take name food anytime meat, like all fish, meat.
Yeah.
Remember, and they love all pork and then love chicken and then love, you know.
so that's the salting.
Yes, cow skin and
Okay,
them,
so any type of meat. That's salting.
Churras.
Yeah.
And the people them cook it,
Yeah.
figure you no fight, you know.
Yeah.
Cause just so it kinda more expensive than the food pot.
Yeah.
One bag of food with little bit of the fucking deer sitting. This is hot me. Oh no, cook it bitch. Listen, I salting for enough.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Anyway, people go buy food and when you look the provision enough. You see,
Yeah.
I catch him. Nah, stop come there now. Yeah, cause I eat a sweet part.
Yeah.
Right? One bag of food with little bit of the sweet part.
Yeah.
They have to allow take time eat it. No want it done.
No.
And you know I people always left feel last.
Yeah.
The salting there.
Yes, cause it a sweet part. It a last part them want.
Where's the sugar?
And sometimes the bit left you on the dash way. He's a God. He said, "Oh, I am the virgin." He make same no in the amateur rat class. It's bad post. Right? The man yam up all of the rusty part and left the sweetest part to do man.
Dash way.
And the dash way too. That's why they say that if you go to a store, go buy a shoe, you see, take off the one where you wear, go down where you go home.
Yeah.
Can you then teeth it? Mirror glass it, then you don't get the benefit, you understand? They say clothes same way. Go to store, go buy clothes, go around one corner and drop off the one where you ras glass, where you go there, and put on the one where you buy, right? And go home night.
Yeah.
Cause you will go a bus stop and them a trail you. And as you put down your bag all around and you heel back now and you see your bus a come and mix up. And buy your
And
fist
buy
up bus
your
and buy your mix up. I said, Jesus God.
It was God.
Wait back there. You don't know them a trail you. And I watch
From
you.
shoe store.
Yeah.
Cause they see when you buy and put it sitting there, you know, right? Canis. And you know, say other bus stop there for your bus stop.
I'm gone with it.
And I trail you and I watch you. And you don't know.
Any woman go to market man and put her back for one wall.
Yes.
And when she ready, not that bomb.
Your cocker, you.
I tap her wall.
You hear me say one buy grip and buy whole heap of sit in the store and put in a grip. And go bus stop go put it down now. And back and heel back and now look on it and then see him bus come down and walk up. That and the boy in daddy store and see when him blood clot and know see a film bus stop that when take bus you know. And trailer go there in a rata. And the woman put down the bag you know, right? And the woman see him bus come down and buy woman and makes one tap the bus. Right? The bus tap now and buy him for make so. Jesus God, the bus have to drive well left him same bumbo class place him passing down. Hey, hold on, me say. Hold on, no, she can't believe.
Yeah.
But how we think disappear from back and hill back? Where this a person come from, right? Yeah. Brother, in a Spanish hotel, he couldn't go on the bus again, you know. The bus have to left her. She gone back out of the store and tell them. Then take her back. Then can't help her. He maga down instant to rascal. I say, you see man, don't sit nothing to some people can hurt your boy, I tell you. Them couldn't do better than mad to ras. Mad. 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 Mad, my brother.
Yeah man, at them time I like it time that man. Breeze over there enough for alcohol. Yeah, I love little breeze. You soon start to kite and jump up in the sky all about. Them time now.
I tell you, sir. I don't know, sir, really, kite could have mixed, you know. We see one brother make a kite in a knot and a rope, but then take tie animal. He take and send it up, you know.
Yeah, man, rope.
You dry away too, you know.
Eh?
You dry away, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, that when he must send it up and I lent it around one big bumbo cloth train wrap it, you know.
Yeah.
Him couldn't hold it for it length. When he go up there on the breeze, take it.
Yeah.
The real way say.
It all one
He
rope
wrap it 2 times around the train and around the train take and length it. You understand? My brother, when he go up there, tell when you look now, he get little. You know, see, so big.
Yeah.
Rascal, just when you go there mix up on the rope.
Yeah.
Eh?
that cut you.
If that kite ever get wet, and then you don't have a roll of rope or ground,
And you can't your foot.
and then you go step in it and make you ever wrap your foot. Remember, boy,
But not find your back.
parachute! Your favorite blood clot. Me don't know your managing now. You are no nothing feel it up. What a bumbo clot it. Nothing. The man couldn't take it down, you know. When he go up there and when he let it and tight on the blood clot, man, but you see, a 3-day bumbo clot stay up there. And night Joe and same thing come and poke it up and tear it up and that's how it drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can't take it
Take
down.
down your bumbo clot. If me ever pull that
Trouble.
from around the tree, say, you
Nah,
rub that bus in hand and I feel let it
I'm
go.
have to let it go, man.
Right?
Then if you go laugh
Yeah.
at something, I don't my problem. I don't my
If even
problem.
2 of them hold on pan it, say,
Gone with them said them.
he go enjoy when bumbo clot.
Yeah.
That me say, me God.
Big kite that, you know, man.
Rasta
Big
supposed to
kite.
see kite, the man them take bamboo.
Yeah. Kite the taller than all
Yeah.
you.
bamboo, no? Yes, man. They don't know what them take make it. Newspaper.
Newspaper.
The big
Me say you
so
should
the green of
last
them.
it. And that me
The
a tell you.
broad. You understand?
Me can't tell you what go on. If it's not in our system,
That's why
me
I
can't
tear
tell
up, you know.
about
Yeah.
it.
3-day time me up there. Until
You
it
make a
night
drop,
do
you know.
Flour then use and paste.
good.
Last thing.
Yeah? Yeah? My boy
Alright,
named
then
Dodger.
get you then.
I never see another kite so yet again a bumbo rascal.
Don't quarrel
Have to say,
quarrel
me
with me
God.
about it, man. Don't quarrel with me, man.
Yeah, don't quarrel, man, don't quarrel. You hear me say me attack, man. No make no noise.
Service if you quarrel with.
Oi.
Then them tell you say them fucking in
Hear
the
that.
system. Sure.
Him no understand, you know.
What you gonna-
Shaping in iniquity and conceived in sin. But at there's some everything begin. Stand from prayer, fall and friend, no one start go astray negative, we start living. No buy me for reach 15, no a fat grab a spliff. At Guinness when start sipping. Girls black and brown, anyone test get road down, testosterone start chipping. Now the school me used to go, now the motto is angry on the moment we just step and up and pushing. Like Mr. Vladimir, we are bar rich, so mute when no fear, cause them serious like Putin. Over Michael place, we go watch Killer and Scarface. Youngsters show, we no watch cushion. Me know every weed base, man no feel Nannyville top range. Vegas and back bushing. Round a gym was the turf. Been up in a war with Smurf. 2 old ragamuffin. Now Smurf buff him chest on the spot. Then been up, go wheel off and dick a shot. Never bluffing. The abandoned house round the road. Now with the weed on the board. Every day the channel is puffing. Then police get a call and run in on the scene. One day, put me in a handcuffing. Oh Lord. I'm here and go ball at the altar. Jah here and go ball at the altar. Oh Lord. Police get a call and run in on the scene one day. Handcuffing. You go in at the school and search any man, you must find a tool. 3-star, I speaking. And the sneaks where we like them, that days every man a wear Nike. So the shoes full of beer ticking. Me ever strap with the pope. In my face, no guy could reel up. Got them know say me a no chicken. Me no KFC, no boy could put them on in my face. Me no work with finger licking. Me ear tall and in a tam. Could get fi do no exam. Grades them never clicking. Me black rat and brown mouse. Down the classroom them in a gambling house. Yard pack. deck sticking. Some of the dogs them turn fraud like the ones them where you play the trick yard. All when you watch them you get tricking. We bad like renegade. Me never even finish 10th grade. Out of school now me get kicking. Oh Lord, I'm here and go ball at the altar. Jah here and go ball at the altar. Oh Lord. We never ever finish 10th grade out of school, now me get kicking. Now me and tell you it straight. Don't think say you fabricate. Me and tell you a true story. Miraculously, me see Christ change my life, so you know say you in me and give the glory. Y'all hear me now? Serious and me not give no jokers, me no Cedric and me no Bernie. It's Elijah again, from half of the belly now my boss. Me I take you for a little German, must no follow my grab because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney, no follow my grab because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney, no follow my grab because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney. To go through life, she try to teach me the easy way, but at the hard way, me go learn it. Oh Lord. Yeah man, so me I implore to every ghetto youth. Say out of every choice, best one of the choose Christ. Because gangster life is nice. You may never live to tell a tale, but you will definitely pay the price. Lied you again. Them say Elijah is a prophet, but them you not the devil. Chariot of fire, Elijah caught up in a heaven. Now them you used to link with Tommy before me not grade 11. But them push down Tommy over greater than the 7.